See me for real? Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl DaNaizshia. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I know we in a different scenery or whatever or whatnot, but your girl got a new court. Your girl got a new court. Okay, I've had it for not even a month yet, and it's so hot right now. Where's my calendar? I've literally only had this car for 1 week. For 1 full week. I've only had the car for a week. It feels longer. It feels like I've had the car a lot longer than a week. I heard that. Okay. And I got air now. I ain't used to have air. In the red car, the ceiling was falling off and I did not have air, for real. Like, I did not have no type of air unless like it was raining outside and it was probably like still humid or something like that, or if it was early in the morning, that's when I had air and it felt pretty decent. But I didn't have no air for like hot weather, 100-degree weather. You know, if you in Texas or you have visited Texas this summer, it was getting up to like 103, 4, 5. And imagine driving around in a car that don't have no air. Like, you would literally sit inside the car, and sitting inside the car was way hotter than it was outside. So I'm driving, sweating. As soon as I get outside, it feels better outside, and it's hot as hell outside. So I was struggling. So I got a 2020 Kia Optima FE, and I love it. I am so proud of myself. I bought this car at 24. I paid off the red car at 20. So the red car I had since I was 15, I paid it off at 20 years old, and then at 24 I sold it and got a new car. So that car was most definitely like a childhood car type deal, you know. But I can give y'all a quick little tour now. Like I said, I have been in here for about a week. I do have jackets and a pair of shoes in the back, but that's because I need to throw away those shoes, and those jackets is because where I work, it be cold. So, but let's go ahead. I'm gonna just give y'all like a quick little car tour. So I blinged her out. I don't have a name for her yet. I do not have a name for my car yet, but it's blinged out. It's a Kia. I blinged out the steering wheel and that part. It's like super cute. Hold on, let me give y'all an actual. Let's do this right. Let's do the B-roll right.
Outstanding, so I stand out. More babes in a bath house. Top gun on my tongue crew. Life for keeps and I don't lose. You're more than love it cause I'm cool as a breeze. So take a portion, yeah, I got what you need. Nonchalant, got the green of a fiction on night. We gon' keep it psychedelic like a cat, better sim, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, touch the joy of the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Then come to love that wait up. Don't break it down in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Falling on my haters. In my 23s having a Jordan moment. Falling with the paper. Ice all on my chain. I just bought 2 up, you staying up. Hanging with the gang, that shit dangerous. I can fuck you with my chains, them should take a look. Come and catch your way, take one out my cup. Damn, that OG, damn, the police. Wildin' in SV, moving up your street. When we on the creep, can't be saying to the beat. Ain't no day, ain't no night, make no plans, ain't no sleep. Got better stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, touch the joy of the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Then come to those that wait up. Don't break the jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up.
Okay, y'all, that's a quick little car tour. I love it. As y'all can see, I blinked her out. I got blinged out cup holders, blinged out little knobs and stuff for the radio, the air, the sign, the steering wheel. And then also, once I get my license plates, I will bling that out too. I'm trying to see which one is already open. It's this one. See, I got a blinged out license plate as well to match the diamonds. So all my diamonds are gonna look alike. But I'm just waiting on my plates and I can put this on. And if you guys are wondering how I bought my car or where I bought my car at, I know in the front you guys saw Enterprise. And I know you all like Enterprise car sales, or maybe you did see it, maybe you didn't. But Enterprise is a car rental place, but they also sell vehicles. A lot of people don't know that. They also sell vehicles, but instead of you going to a lot that has a lot of fees, a lot of this, a lot of that, they sell top-notch cars for less because it is a rental car. It already has mileage on it. So my car is at 64,000 miles, and the cost of the car, I'm gonna just round it up to 22,000. And this is a 2020 Kia. Like 64 miles is not a lot of miles at all. So if you was to go to a car dealership and get 64 miles on a 2020 Kia, you are not getting the rate that I got. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to put my business out there, but if you have a good credit and you know what I'm saying, work your numbers. Have them work your numbers. Tell them that you could only pay a certain amount. But I'll say that's the best route to buy a vehicle, is going through a car rental place. I prefer Enterprise, but you can basically buy a car from any car rental place for a less rate than you would get at a dealership. But if you want to go to a dealership, go to a dealership. But not a lot of people know that. And then if you want a brand new car, of course go to the dealership. Of course, like if you want to be the first person in there, 0 miles, go to the dealership. But me, I wasn't really tripping on it. And plus, now I know the car works. Yeah, we finna go get an acai bowl.
I've been on my job for too long. Damn right, I know what I do wrong. Ain't no way that I'm gonna change up. Now everybody better pay up. Elevator on my way up. Pay out that, put a feet up. Y'all need that new Bentley truck. They just mad they wanna be us. Pull out the windows, put on the gas. Reason I rap with the kids, so selling my pants. Say she my diamond, they wet. She my diamond, they wet. Or even with the bed, I keep my foot on their neck. With the gang, I'm with the gang. And when I'm in my Rolls-Royce, I take them too late. They be like, boy, that's how you feel.
Sorry if this angle is like crazy, but I have like my stand in this little big cup holder, so it may work for now, but like I got like an overcast because of my hat. But I got me an Everbowl from Everbowl, just an acai bowl. They put bananas, oats, strawberries, and blueberries in it. So good. It's so good. I always get a small because it's a lot. It's a lot. And this bowl really doesn't like fill me up. It just gets me through the morning, if that makes sense. But I like mostly the bananas with it than anything, but it's so good. So good. I forgot napkins. So y'all, I've been detoxing. What? Alright, anyways, I've been detoxing, y'all. So I've been drinking like this Yoni wipeout tea. So it just cleanses my body, my vaginal area. I read on the paper, because you got to eat a certain way too, so I can't eat like any red meat. I'm not supposed to be eating fish, but that's pushing it because my favorite food is steak. So me not eating fish too, like, you are pushing it, man. I can't do that. So like sometimes I eat sushi, but I haven't been drinking at all. So I am super proud of myself about that, because your girl love a good cocktail. I love a good drink, okay, honey? Love that. I was not even staying up no more. That's probably why. As soon as I started driving. Is that good? That's okay, right? Yeah. Because I love a good cocktail. But I haven't been drinking. And I was with my friend last night, because she's moving to Houston, and I want to move to Houston so bad, but like, she's moving Sunday. When I finish school, oh, you guys don't know, I gotta tell you guys, when I finish school, I am probably gonna stay out in Dallas for like a little while after that, and then I'm headed to Houston. Like, Dallas is not for me. Like, it's really not. Like, I don't really see the point of living here. Not even gonna fake it to you, I really don't. But I want to move to Houston, but I'm currently going to school to become a dental assistant, and then I'm gonna go back to school after to become a dental hygienist. Go ahead, ma'am. Is you going? Okay, you're not going. You're older. Be very cautious. I totally understand. Yeah, so I'm going to go to school to be a dental assistant. I start literally Monday. And it's 7 weeks. I'm going through Mint Dentistry. And then after that, like I keep stating, I am going to go to school again to become a dental hygienist. Alright, y'all, so the plan for today is going to be, drumroll please, just kidding. I'm going to go get the tattoo, show up for my friend. I'm gonna go support her, be her tattoo artist or model or whatever. And then tomorrow, well, by the time, I don't know when this is all gonna be done. So if me and my other friend don't link today, we're gonna go do brunch tomorrow. Hey, you're there or no?
No, I'm about to leave now though, but I'm only 15 minutes from there. Cause I had to, they want me to bring all this stuff, so I just ran to the store. But I'm grabbing my stuff to go out the door now.
Okay, alright, I'm on my way. I'm not 15 minutes though. So I'll be there a little bit after you.
Oh, I was about to say, so you're like a little longer? Okay,
yeah.
Cool. So like 1:15 at the latest.
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, see you soon.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
So, I'm just gonna jump out and I'm gonna chill, and then I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get there. Like, I love when I do exciting things when I'm vlogging, because like I really want a tattoo along my arm, like the script that she wants to do. I want it along my arm, so we will see what she says. Hopefully it's a good idea, because it would be so cute if I had like a Maya Angelou quote. Angelo, I don't even know how to pronounce the lady name, but I know she got wisdom. All right. And like, I just want it like right in here, because I already got a tattoo right here, but that's the Roman numerals from my papa. But I mean not right in there. Wait, what the fuck? Babe, this is right in here. Right in here, I think. Alright, y'all, we here. Jaya, we here.
I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they DM me. Draw at the top when it's cold, but what you feel to eat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek.
Percocet pill on me. Ice on my neck, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that fucked in the back don't say nothing. Them niggas a kill for me. Back as I can in my sleep, on fleek. My neck is spit on that patty for leave. Them a dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leap. I put them bricks in the family. My walk around like Chris Jenner. I used to break in the animal, then take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mental. Mama said she saw me.
Alright, y'all, so we here. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I am at like her little station where she's tattooing at. And we're gonna do something like a script. She wants to do it alongside my body. I should be done and out of here by like 6:30, so that's not too late. And that's great, and I can go hang out with my friend. Calabasas doesn't end till 8, but I doubt I make that because this is what I have on. So I don't know if I want to wear this. It's a little too athletic attire. And I just have on slides. And then come in here, my toenail broke. I had to glue it back on and it looked kind of ugly. Just had enough. But I'm gonna get back on here when the stencil, when we get the stencil. But this is crazy. I didn't know people really did stuff like this.
With the rest, I'm looking crippled. On that bit, then I tip a nickel for me to take pictures. Not from my leg, but I clip them. Double my cup or a triple. Spots on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average or typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that bag on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Bag of them cookies, it's medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean is federal. I take up landing on Nebula. As the next one that ends on my schedule.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot.
Was it not sideways? I'm saying.
Not sideways, Drea.
That's how they gonna read it.
No, not sideways.
How y'all gonna read it if it's not sideways? Yeah.
That's pretty.
Thank you. How you stop it?
This is Dallas for you, bro. Y'all, this is not funny, but like literally, y'all, like their hood flew up. I don't even understand how they driving straight right now. Like they at least could have stopped. What the heck? What? This is Dallas, bro. Like, wow. Oh, my arm shaking and she shoot this stuff. What? Kid you not. Yeah, there you go. Like, what? I gotta get us right. All right. It's a little loud. All right. This is my friend Anise. Hi. She's sleeping. Cheers. It's good. I like it. Because sugar on your grandma, right? Yeah. It just tastes like a strawberry puree though. Maybe the alcohol hit us later.
No, it probably is. Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna get in it? What's your name?
Emily.
Emily?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Emily.
Ride with the mob, Alhamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Erg is the name, then Baller did the chain. Tono for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Lamborghini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linker feed the village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria. Mama see me all BT and start tearing up. I'ma start killing niggas, how you get that truck? I attended Harlem picnics when you risk your life. Uncle used to skim work, selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old, watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that bathroom bucket. Knife to his gut, oh daddy don't cut him. Suicidal thoughts brought to me with no advisory. He was pitching
Alright, y'all, so we are done eating. It's raining, as you can see. We got in some pictures, like they're like cute aesthetic pictures. I'm gonna go home, maybe. I don't know. I kind of wish I would have wore something different. I feel like this has been a very interesting vlog. Like, I had a tattoo and this was cute. Oh, Crate and Barrel's right here. But it's raining, so. I love my car. I'm so happy for myself. I'm ecstatic for myself, actually. Okay, well, I'll just see y'all later. I look so good in my new car! Y'all, this looks like the car looks like it fits me. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I could cry. Alright, y'all. See y'all.
People say that I'm not the same girl. They say I think that I'm in my own world. But what makes them think that I have changed?